Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the project. Pick resolution, frame rate, and aspect ratio to match your target platform. Then import your assets directly, tap the plus, choose files from device or cloud, and place them on the timeline. Once done, trim each clip by dragging the handles and split with the scissor tool to remove unwanted parts. Make sure to name layers for clarity and lock background layers you don't want to move, because organized projects save time later. Next, build complexity by stacking layers. Put overlays, text, and adjustment layers above clips for targeted changes. You'll animate properties using keyframes. Tap the property, add the first keyframe, move playhead, change value, add another. Adjust easing to smooth motion. Once done, apply effects like color correction and blend modes to unify look, or use masks to reveal elements. Make sure to preview at full speed and reduce effect intensity. If to finish, export with the correct settings. Choose resolution and codec, set bitrate for quality, and enable hardware export when available to speed the process. Once exported, scrub the file to confirm audio sync and look for artifacts. If problems occur, clear Alight Motion's cache, lower export bitrate, or solo and re-render the problematic layer. If audio drifts, realign the original audio on the timeline and export a short test clip before committing to the final full render.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.